Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share my Bhil art painting with you. This painting is inspired by Indian tribal Bhil art, which is known for its colorful patterns and beautiful dot work. Here I have tried to show animals living peacefully under the tree, symbolizing harmony in nature. Each dot is added slowly and with patience. Traditional art always teaches us focus and creativity. This is my small attempt to explore the beauty of Bhil art. Thank you for supporting handmade art.